Alright YouTube, so I figured this fan deserved a revisit. So we're going to go and revisit it. The first video I took of it wasn't really that good. And a few things have changed since we've last seen it. There the original blades are. I still have them. I put these on here just to see how it looks, and I really like how it looks with these. First change was the faceplate. It's now a grape leaf. It originally had an ivy faceplate, but I didn't like it because it didn't match the side tagging, so I put a grape leaf on there. And then the current changes right now, I've got a set of Calcutta brackets with some kind of hunter wingtip blades I found today. So it's another interesting mix of parts. But it looks good. It definitely still runs good. This fan, we believe, was customized at one point in time by Phil Frey. We're not entirely sure. We can't confirm that, but just based on all the customization and parts on it, we believe it was. It's currently using a wall control. It doesn't have a speed control for it. So let's go ahead and go over here. Block the light a little bit. Where's the control? There it is. Now go ahead and go straight to low speed. Gotta find it, man. This doesn't like low speed. Probably right there. Stop that. A little helmet, nothing too terrible. Currently we are going. I can see my ammeter fell. Alright, well, never mind then. Let's go ahead and just go to full power. By the blades or pitching it any. Alright. So, go ahead and do spin down. Try and go over here. There we go. So, what I've done today is, like I said, I've got these all up. I went to some restores. I found 3 originals total, so that's a good start for the day. We also have Matthew Orat coming by today. He's going to be picking up some Fasco stuff I've had for him. I think of Fasco and some Emerson stuff. I'm digging this combo though. I think I'm going to leave it just like this. Anyway guys, thanks for watching.